Welcome to The Quiet Creator, where we explore the smartest ways to use AI to make life easier, richer, and more efficient. In this video, I'm sharing 3 powerful passive income ideas using AI, all beginner-friendly, low-cost, and highly scalable. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just someone looking to earn while you sleep, these ideas are for you. Let's get into it. Idea number 1. AI-powered YouTube automation. YouTube is one of the best ways to earn passive income, and with AI, you don't even need to show your face or record your own voice. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick a niche. Choose a topic people search for. AI tools, motivation, productivity. Tech reviews, finance. Use AI like ChatGPT to research trending subtopics and generate content ideas. Step 2. Write a script. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts for your video in seconds. You can say, write a 2-minute script about AI tools for freelancers. And boom, it's done. Step 3. Create the video. Use tools like Pictory AI for converting text into video, ElevenLabs, I/O for realistic AI voiceovers, Canva, or InVideo for animations and editing. You upload consistently, and once a few videos take off, YouTube starts paying you monthly for content you created once. Plus, with affiliate links and ads, it becomes a true passive stream. Idea number 2. Sell AI-generated digital products. Digital products are one of the easiest and most profitable forms of passive income. AI makes it faster than ever to create them. Here are a few examples. Ebooks. Use ChatGPT to write complete ebooks on topics like how to use AI for business, productivity hacks with AI tools, design the cover using Canva AI, and upload to Gumroad, Payhip, or Amazon KDP. You promote it once and earn every time someone downloads it. Printables and templates. Use Canva plus AI prompts to create Notion templates, resume formats, daily planners, budget sheets, then list them on Etsy or Gumroad. People search for these every day, and you only need to build them once. Bonus tip. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to create AI-generated art or coloring books and sell them as downloadable products. No inventory, no shipping, just pure automated income. Idea number 3. AI blogging with affiliate marketing. Blogging may sound old school, but AI makes it incredibly fast and profitable again. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Start a blog. Use platforms like WordPress or Wix AI. It takes 10 minutes to set up. Step 2. Use AI to write articles. Ask ChatGPT to write an SEO-friendly blog post on the best AI tools for small businesses. It gives you a 1,000-word draft instantly. You can polish it and add images from Unsplash or generate custom ones. Using DALL-E. Step 3. Monetize with affiliate links. Sign up for affiliate programs like Jasper AI, Notion, Surface.io, Canva Pro. You place your links in the blog. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Now imagine this. You publish 20 AI-generated blogs. Each blog gets 50 to 100 visits a day. You promote 1 or 2 high-paying tools. It's recurring, passive affiliate income, month after month. Bonus tip: passive income isn't magic. It's smart work up front, and then AI takes over. Here's how to get the most out of these ideas. Be consistent. Post or create weekly. Use trending keywords with AI tools like Google Trends or Ubersuggest. Reinvest your earnings into better tools or ads to scale faster. And most importantly, don't wait. AI is moving fast. The earlier you start, the more ahead you'll be. And hit the bell icon. I post daily content on AI tools, faceless YouTube growth, and automation hacks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. Which of these income ideas will you try first? Thanks for watching The Quiet Creator. Till next time, work smart, stay quiet, and let AI do the heavy lifting.